How you doing? Right now we're at 2 minutes exactly. So like I said, I want to give it a few more seconds. It's another 10 seconds, so I'm going to take it out. Very important. I'm not going to overcool this out. Here we go, another 5 seconds. I'm going to go ahead, take it out. Here we go, 2 minutes and 15 seconds. Here we go, let me go ahead. You could even keep in this spoon if there's some hot water in here and kind of just rinse it a little bit, that's all. Not too much. We don't want that. There, it's enough. Immediately afterwards, here we go. There we are. It looks nice, see? Very comfortable. Now, I'm molded. A little warm on the teeth too, but that's all right. Whatever it takes to get to where you need to go, right? So now, I'm cooling it off. What I'm doing right now is I'm cementing it, I'm cooling it down so now the boil and bite technology becomes nice and hard so it will stay in. Here we go, let's test it. Ready? Hey, how you doing? Look. It does not fall out, and look at this. I don't look like this because I did it right. I can even talk with this in my mouth. I don't sound as good as I normally do, but look at this. I'm fighting hard, and it doesn't hurt the jaws. It alleviates the pain. I can talk with it, and look at it, ready? Right there on the floor. But you got the idea. It pops out. I'm going to wash that out. I'm going to use it as my backup because sometimes I travel and I need to carry one of these Brux night guards with me. Make sure you mold it correctly, and if you do, it's going to change your life.